beautiful paint job! Oh, all my tractor attachments, my inventions, ruined!
Pico, we have to help Todd.
I know, but I don't think we can handle this big job alone.
We're not alone. Remember, Pico, there's a solution to every problem.
Such a mess.
Hey, Todd, this isn't such a bad thing. We're going to make everything new again. And everyone wanted to help.
Huh?
We want to help. Helping, helping, helping! Us too!
Thanks, everyone! Let's do it!
Ha! Ha! Ta-da! Yeah! We did it! I'm so happy! The whole farm is finally back in shape and looking great!
I'm super proud of everyone. You worked hard and even helped fix my broken barn.
Just like you always say, Todd. Here on the farm, we always help each other.
Come on, everyone. Time for